today we have the chance to try the new Gaahleri Seeker. It's another airbrush from their advanced series. And yeah, I will share with you my thoughts, and yeah, we will test it together, okay? Come on, let's have a look. As always, we have a beautiful packaging. Let me open it. Yeah, so Gaahleri Advanced Series Seeker 0.3 millimeters and 0.5 millimeters dual action airbrush. Let's see it. Oh, this is very smooth. I like it. Okay, elegant. We have some instructions. Okay, these are some spare parts, some rings that are actually useful. The quick start guide is always very detailed, and we have also the Italian part, of course. The first one is the English. Okay, many languages. I like it. And ta-da! Look at this beauty, guys. It's very straightforward. It's very there is a 90-degree angle here. The mechanics seem to work well. I just removed this valve because I have my airbrush pump already installed, so this goes like here, like so. Okay, let's remove the cap, like so. So what do you think? The line is very beautiful. I can't wait to test it on my terrain. Okay, and this is now the third one that we have from Gaahleri. So this is the Seeker, then we have the GAD 39, and of course my favorite one till now, the Mobius. This is a big chunk of terrain, guys, and we are going to paint it right now. Stay a while and listen. Wait, guys, before leave. An important message. If you like my work, if you like these videos, if you are watching these videos and you want to see more, please consider to support me on Patreon. Patreon is the best way to support my channel, and also you will get instant access to a lot of material, included my fantasy modeling course that is fully online right now. A big shout out to all my Patreon supporters. You are the reason why I'm doing this. You are my best inspiration, and your support is the reason why I can keep going, I can keep improve and do better and better with you in this beautiful community. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crafting!